This is your morning meditation to command the day. First, let's start with a few breaths. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Again, breathe in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. This time, as you inhale clarity and exhale presence. Last one, inhale potential and exhale peace. I rise with intention. I rise with strength. I rise with clarity. This morning, I activate my power. I step into this day with full presence. I am the leader of my own experience. Every breath I take fuels my focus. Every moment I make is intentional. Every thought I think is a choice. I am grounded. I am clear. I am limitless. My energy is focused and calm. My purpose is alive in every cell of my body. I am fully in my power. I trust myself. I trust my path. I trust the divine timing of everything in my life. Today I choose alignment over urgency, expansion over fear, truth over approval. I am the vibration of vitality. I am the vibration of abundance. I am the vibration of impact. My presence is powerful. My boundaries are sacred. My actions are aligned. I walk into rooms with certainty. I speak with purpose. I lead from my heart. Today, I allow ease. I allow joy. I allow miracles. I am magnetic. I am energized. I am in full expression of my highest self. This day is mine to shape, to own, to embody, and I rise into it fully. I am ready. I am aligned. I am strong. I am powerful. I am beautiful, and I am divine. Let this beautiful day begin.